कर्नाटका में चल रहे प्रोटेस्ट से आप अनजान तो होंगे नहीं, लेकिन क्या आपको पता है ये प्रोटेस्ट क्यों हो रहा है? तो इसका कारण है कर्नाटका के मिनिस्टर द्वारा दिया गया एक स्टेटमेंट। के वेंकटेश, कर्नाटका's एनिमल हस्बेंड्री मिनिस्टर, has triggered a protest row in the state with his statement that is, if buffaloes can be slaughtered, why not cows? सिर्फ प्रोटेस्ट ही नहीं, स्टेट में पॉलिटिकल बैटल भी ट्रिगर हो चुकी है। कांग्रेस लेड स्टेट में बीजेपी इज प्लानिंग टू प्रोटेस्ट अक्रॉस द स्टेट। बीजेपी स्टेट जनरल secretary and MLC N. Ravi Kumar said to reporters, "We will not allow the Congress government to withdraw the anti-cow slaughter legislation. We will stage a protest across the state on Monday and in Bangalore on Tuesday against such a move. We will intensify our agitation if the government does not change its plan." आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दें कि the Karnataka Prevention of Slaughter and Preservation of Cattle Act 2020 was passed by the BJP-led government in Karnataka in February 2021 extended the existing ban on cow slaughter to include bulls, bullocks, oxen and calves. लेकिन इस बैन से पहले भी cow slaughtering prohibited थी in various states in accordance with the Article 48 of the Constitution. बीजेपी ने कर्नाटका में दो बिल्स इंट्रोड्यूस किए, one in 2010 and other in 2012, which aimed to amend the 1964 Act. However, these bills were withdrawn in 2014 following a change in the state government. 2021 में पास किया गया ये लॉ एक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बैन है prohibiting the slaughter of cows, calves, bulls, bullocks and she buffaloes under the age of 13 in contrast to the 1964 Act in Karnataka which allowed the slaughter of bulls, bullocks and buffaloes. लेकिन शनिवार को के वेंकटेश ने फार्मर्स के चैलेंजेस को हाईलाइट करते हुए एम्फसाइज किया कि बिल्स को अमेंड करने से स्टेट में फार्मर्स की कंडीशन सुधर जाएगी। इन क्वेश्चनिंग द डिस्टिंक्शन बिटवीन slaughtering buffaloes and bulls versus cows, he raised the point that if the former is permissible, why should the latter be treated differently? He suggested that the proposed changes aim to address the difficulties faced by farmers in maintaining aging cattle and dealing with their carcasses. लेकिन बीजेपी इसके सख्त खिलाफ है। बाद में कर्नाटका के चीफ मिनिस्टर ने भी मीडिया के साथ इंटरेक्शन में ये कहा कि वो इस लॉ को कैबिनेट में डिस्कस करेंगे। According to him, there already existed a Karnataka Prevention of Cow Slaughter and Cattle Prevention Act 1964, but it lacked clarity due to which an amendment was brought. However, the Congress government again went back to 1964 Act. BJP had again brought an amendment. We will discuss in the cabinet. We have not decided anything yet. कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट के इस स्टेटमेंट के बाद काफी politicians belonging to both parties have expressed their views and opinions. Former Karnataka Chief Minister Vasavaraj Bommai, in a series of tweets, condemned Mr. Venkatesh's statement and asked Siddaramaiah to give appropriate advice to his colleague. He said, Animal Husbandry Minister K. Venkatesh's statement is shocking. We condemned his statement. We Indians have an emotional connection with the cow and worship them as mother. ऐसे ही कई मिनिस्टर्स ने कांग्रेस से रिक्वेस्ट की है to empathize with the sentiments of the people. बीजेपी के अकॉर्डिंग जब वो पावर में थे तो वो ये बिल दोनों हाउसेस की सहमति से लेकर आए थे और अब ये एक लॉ बन चुका है as Hindus worship the cow and it is necessary to protect them. देखते हैं कि क्या कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट बीजेपी और लोगों की रिक्वेस्ट सुनेगी। टू नो मोर, कीप फॉलोइंग लॉ चक्रा फॉर मोर न्यूज एंड अपडेट्स।